So myself, Uttejvarma, I have graduated in mechanical engineering in the year 2020. So after graduation, I worked as a mechanical engineer for 1.5 years. Like before I joined this 10x Academy, so as I want to shift my career. So once thinking about that, like I have never done coding once till now, till before joining 10x Academy. So I was a little worried, like whether I can do it or not. But once joining, like once attending the 10x Academy's classes for the 2 days, the only thing these 10x people asking the students were like the commitment to work hard, to learn and all. So after hearing that thing, I felt really confident. I was taking a good decision. So I joined 10x Academy for the bootcamp. As I told earlier, like the student should only focus on attending all the sessions and completing the assignments timely, because there's a huge team working for the placements. Like there's a huge 10x team who are working 24/7 to make students placed in different companies. So I really believe that the student was only need to do attend the sessions and do the assignments timely, and those things will lead you to crack a job definitely. I felt that at the first day I don't know nothing, but within 1 month I have learned something. So I really felt confident that I can complete the whole boot camp, and I can I can crack a really good job if I just keep on working hard. That's okay. So I have developed multiple full stack projects in the bootcamp, but I'll say that my first project will be my favorite project, as whenever I was doing that Instaclone project, it was the smallest project out of all the projects I have developed, but it was my first project, and that was the first time I was doing it in a full stack level. So it threw me a lot of challenges, and I should complete that project within 3 days. But once completing that in the given time limit, I really felt satisfied. So I can say Instaclone was one of the projects that motivated me doing multiple projects in full stack.